Last couple of weeks when the market was really focused on stimulus, every time we got good stimulus news, the market would rally. Of course, you can't, give the market stimulus every day. At some point, it has to be big enough to stand on its own. And, the hope that the stimulus is going to increase, demand down the road someday is not good to trade on a long-term basis.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the Dow Jones Industrials here, and pretty much, look, Chevron is up, and ExxonMobil's not doing poorly. It's just a day where the energy names managed to sort of hold on to gains here. Thanks, Phil.
Good to see you, Phil Flynn.
Have a good one.
With the Dow back in the green, up 111 points right now, may I just add. The volatile markets show no sign of calming down in the near future.
Joining us now with their best ideas for making money amid the madness are Ron Kobe. He is co-founder and CIO at Kobe Lamson Capital Management. And Greg Merlino, he's founder and president of Ameriway Financial Services. Good to see you both. Ron, first to you, because we're just talking about gold, and you think that things are so bad that there's pretty much nowhere else to go right now. If you think the way you do, I imagine you're buying on a day like today when it's down $12 an ounce.
Well, absolutely. Gold is in a long-term secular bull market. And in a long-term secular bull market, you buy dips. And that is exactly
what you buy. Be specific if you can, Ron.
Well, absolutely. We love GG. That's Gold Corp. Gold Corp is highly correlated to the price of gold. And we believe that Gold Corp has lagged the rising price of gold and is going to start to catch up and rise. We also like Great Basin, symbol GBG. Great Basin is an asset-rich company on a fast growth track. We think its stock could more than double this year alone. And finally, we like New Gold. The symbol is NGD. New Gold stock has collapsed 80% from last year. And New Gold has over $200 million in cash, a fantastic management team, and just reported a great quarter. And we also think that New Gold stock could more than double in 2009.
All right, let me take the shine off at least some of the feeling out there with Greg, who, by the way, I want everybody to listen. Greg says investors are setting themselves up. David, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
For wealth extermination.
Ooh.
Greg, you're making me nervous. What's behind that? Wealth extermination, does that mean that they're not properly positioned for what's to come? And how should they position themselves?
Well, Liz, what's disturbing is that for many people, they're setting themselves up for just a dismal period of time. And it's not because they're getting ready to stay in the market, it's because they've already fled the market. We've just gone through a 10-year rolling period from 1999 through 2008 of negative returns in the S&P 500 at negative 1.6% per year. That hasn't happened in 70 years. We've also just had the worst January on record. So consequently, what's happening is people are scared, and they want to get out while things continue to look poor. I think that's the worst thing they can do. And we're seeing it with 401k investors, for example. They aren't contributing what they should be, nowhere near what they need to, and they've reallocated out of equities and into stable value funds and money market accounts. That's going to be devastating when they get ready to retire and look at nest eggs that aren't nearly where they should be. So as an advisor, what we do is have to educate our clients and say, look, things aren't going to stay this bad forever. Now's a great time to get back into the market.
Where?
Well, there's a couple areas that we like. One is that's intriguing to us is infrastructure. President Obama has committed the greatest investment in our nation's infrastructure since President Eisenhower set up the interstate highway system 50 years ago. But the great thing is this isn't only a local phenomenon, it's a global phenomenon, and especially in countries like China and Germany. And one of the funds that we think is well positioned in this area is Kensington Global Infrastructure, KGIAX.
All right, guys, we got to leave it at that. We gave you suggestions. Good stuff. Ron Kobe, Greg Merlino, good to see you both. Thanks very much.
Thank you
very much.